Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. This is the fourth episode of Biophysics Decoded. Inside every one of your cells, there are machines so small that millions could fit on the tip of a needle. These are molecular motors, protein nanomachines that walk, pull, and spin. They convert chemical energy from ATP into mechanical work, just like a car engine burns fuel to run wheels. Without them, your muscles would not move, your cells would not divide, and even your thoughts would not happen. Imagine a delivery worker walking step by step along a highway. That's Kinesin. It travels along microscopic tracks called microtubules, carrying vital cargo like vesicles, mitochondria, or even RNA. Each step in just 8 nanometers. That's 8th billionth of a meter. But it takes about 100 steps per second. To put that in perspective, if Kinesin were scaled to human size, it would be walking at roughly 50 kilometers per hour, all while carrying a backpack 3 times its own weight. It uses one ATP molecule, turning chemical energy into perfectly coordinated work. When you lift a book or smile, you are using myosin. These motors work in massive teams inside your muscle fibers. Each myosin molecules have a tiny head that grabs onto a filament, pulls, releases, and grabs again, like a rover pulling an oar. A single myosin head generates a force of about 2 piconewtons. That number is tiny, but when thousands of myosin molecules work together, they produce the force you need to jump or even hold your posture. They also consume ATP at incredible rates. A sprinting athlete's leg muscles can burn through over 10 raised to power 20 ATP molecules per second. ATP synthase looks like a spinning turbine, and it really does spin. It sits in the membrane of your mitochondria as protons flow through it like water through a dam. It rotates a central shaft, forcing together ADP and phosphate to make ATP. This rotary machine spins up to 300 times per second, producing near 10 million ATP molecules per second in a single cell. It's essentially a nanoscale hydroelectric generator, and it produces the fuel that powers every other molecular machine in your body. These molecular machines are not just fascinating, they are essential. Cancer related defects are linked to neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer's. Myosin mutations cause forms of muscular dystrophy. ATP synthase dysfunction disrupts circular energy and is involved in aging and metabolic disorders. Understanding their physics helps scientists design better drugs and even build synthetic nanomotors. So the next time you take a step, remember trillions of tiny protein motors just took trillions of coordinated steps inside you. Biophysics lets us see and marvel at that engineering that makes life move.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.